So this is the Glo Germ. There's a lotion that I used a lotion one, and basically what they do is squeeze a little lotion into their hands, and then I put a black light over their hands. So the lotion simulates bacteria, right? So then you can go, hey, look at all the bacteria in your hands. And then they go wash their hands, and when they come back, that picture that I showed you guys earlier with the most commonly missed areas, guarantee you that's where it still shines. So when you put the black light back on their hands, if whatever's still, shining is where they missed, right? All this is just bringing awareness, right? And it's a cultural change. It's like, hey, I thought we didn't have to worry about stuff growing. I thought we were fine. Where now we're going, okay, cool, but the reason that there'd be some stuff left behind is because they didn't do it right. So procedurally, it just wasn't right.